Morning, dear children. Today we will focus on the lesson to read. Reading today. So, lesson 6, page number 71. Lesson 6, page number 71. So, today I will read the lesson. You have to follow as as I read. You please do keep your finger, and which you don't know, you repeat afterwards. Okay. Lesson 6, the story of Dr. Dolittle. The story of Dr. Dolittle. Once upon a time, many years ago, when our grandfathers were little children, there was a doctor, and his name was Dolittle. John Dolittle, MD. MD means that he was a proper doctor and knew a whole lot. He lived in a little town called Peddleby on the marsh. All the flocks, young and old, knew him well by sight. The dogs and the children would all run up and follow behind him. And even the crows that lived in the church tower would cow and nod their heads. Third paragraph. The house he lived in on the edge of the town was quite small, but his garden was very large and had a wide lawn and stone seats and weeping willows hanging over. His sister, Sarah Dolittle, was housekeeper for him. He was very fond of animals and kept many kinds of pets besides the goldfish in the pond at the bottom of his garden. He had rabbits in the pantry, white mice in his piano, a squirrel in the linen closet, and a hedgehog in the cellar. He had a cow with a calf too, and an old lame horse, 25 years of age, and chickens and pigeons, and 2 lambs, and many other animals. But his favorite pets were Dab Dab the duck, Jip the dog, Gab Gab the baby pig, Polynesia the parrot, and the owl Too Too. His sister used to grumble about all these animals and said they made the house untidy. And one day, when an old lady with the rheumatism came to see the doctor, she sat on the hedgehog who was sleeping on the sofa and never came to see him anymore, but drove everywhere Saturday all the way to Oxenithorpe, another town 10 miles off, to see a different doctor. Then his sister Sarah Dolittle came to him and said, John, how can you expect sick people to come and see you when you keep all these animals in the house? If you go One like this, none of the best people will have you for a doctor. But I like the animals better than the best people, said the doctor. You are ridiculous, said his sister, and walked out of the room. So, as the time went on, the doctor got more and more animals, and the people who came to see him got less and less, till at last he had no one left except the cat's meat man, who didn't mind any kind of animals. And now, when he walked down the street in his high hat, people would say to one another, "There goes John Dolittle, MD. There was a time when he was the best known doctor in the West Country. Look at him now. He hasn't any money and his stockings are full of holes." But the dogs and the cats and the children still ran up and followed him through the town, the same as they had done when he was rich. Next page. Next page. Now, for today, this much enough, children. I don't read very long. Don't require. But you remember, I had sent some difficult words. I don't know whether you have read or not read. Also, the difficult word meanings. Isn't it? You have to go through that. And in this first page, underline the words here. First page means 71 page, the difficult words. First paragraph. Okay? Proper. First paragraph, proper. Over. Coming to the next paragraph. Pedal by. Marsh. Then what is the tower? Next paragraph. Edge. Next line. Weeping. Willows. Hanging. Okay. Squirrel. Edge hoe. Then lame. Pigeons. Favorite. Next page number 72. Grumble. Rheumatism. Then different. So I don't give many words. For today this much enough, and you read it nicely and go through it nicely. Okay, so you coming into the grammar part here. I will be sending the question answers in the PDF. I already wrote and kept. Just wait for it. Okay, maybe this week I will send. In that page number, I think 76, I have already sent for you. I have done the video of this. I remember. That one. Okay. If not, again once more I will send. Next, learning about language. Take out that learning. Underline the infinitives in the following sentences. In some sentences there are no infinitive. That afterwards I will take you this grammar when I take later, because so soon I will not take, you won't understand. Then direct and indirect speech also later I will take you. Now you come to the page number 78. Page number 78. Composition is there. Write a short account beginning with the sentence. Write a short account beginning with the sentence. Project it is given, then conservations. That part you just read. You don't do anything. Only you read. You try to read. Okay. Only you try to read it, that part. And if you understand, okay. If not understand, later on we will see to it. Nothing to worry. Nothing to, don't call, ma'am, I don't know, ma'am, I don't know. So everybody will learn. Okay. I also will learn along with you. And what is homework is your copywriting, keep right. And read the lesson every day. You need to read the lesson. Then only you can write the exam nicely. Otherwise you are not able to write the exam nicely. Okay. Bye then. Okay. See you. God bless you.